Standard 2nd, Grammar, revision for half-yearly exam. Arrange these words to form sentences. Begin with sentence with a capital letter. Put question mark or full stop at the end. Here they have given some words. It is uneven, means they have not put in a proper way. So we have to arrange it and we have to make a sentence from that. Sails on the sea. It does not make any sense. So we have to make from here the ship sails on the sea. Okay, so it makes the sense. So whenever you begin any sentence, you have to write first letter capital as I have written. Here they have written small, but here I have written in capital letter. So the ship sails on the sea, and when the sentence ends, don't forget to put full stop, otherwise you will lose your mark. Okay, so in the question already we have given, in the margin already I have written that put question mark or full stop at the end and begin each sentence with capital letter. So don't forget to put capital letter and don't forget to put full stop at the end of the sentence. And when any statement it is there and it ends with a question mark, for example, if you don't know how to write the statement when it comes question mark and all you don't know, then how to do? When here is, see, second number, your house where is. So here where is your house is the correct statement. So how you have to write? It begins with WH question. So where? So when it WH question it is there, that means you have to understand that in the last you have to put question mark. Okay, so second number is where is your house, and afterwards you have to put question mark. Now third, are what eating you? As I told you, WH again it came. So what are you eating? So what are you eating? And in last you have to put question mark. A toy car has he. So it does not make any sense. So he has a toy car. So yes. So here I have begun with H. I have written capital and all that. Completing after sentence I have put full stop. So don't forget to put full stop, question mark or first letter capital, otherwise you will lose your mark, okay, in exam. So learn this way. This exercise 1A completed. Now I begin with exercise B. Put A or N before these naming words. A or N. When we are putting A or N, when any word begins with vowels, means A, E, I, O, U. Here apple spelling I have written, so it begins with A. Means when any word begins with vowel, at that time we will put A and N. Okay, so here we will write A and N, A-double-P-L-E, apple. Second, H-U-T, hurt. It is a consonant. First letter is H. H is a consonant. So when consonant is there, at that time we will put A. Exercise 1B over. Now exercise 1C. Tick the correct word on the bracket. I have to catch the bus. She have to catch the bus. It does not make any sense. But I have to catch the bus. Yes. So it makes a sense. So you have to put tick mark on I. So first number is also completed. I have to catch the bus. So as I have done tick mark on I, in the same way you have to do in your exam. Don't do here and there. Exactly I want on the proper word. Don't put here and there the tick mark, okay? Now, question number 2. She brought a rose for her mother. We are talking about she brought a rose for her mother. So, what she brought? Rose. Rose is a thing or object. So, when we will write, we are talking about rose, at that time we will use it. It was beautiful. Okay? So, here we have done tick mark on at IT, it. Third number, Sakshi went to the Qutub Minar. Sakshi is we are talking about girl. Sakshi is a girl. So we will do tick mark on she. It we are using for any object, thing or animal. She we are using for any girl or woman. And he we are using for male. Okay. So here Sakshi is a girl. So we will do tick mark on she. She liked it and took some photos. Now Rishi went to the sky shop. He brought a toy car. Here Rishi went to the toy, not sky. Instead of sky you have to do TOY, toy. So I am doing correction. For your information only, I have not done. So instead of sky you have to remove that and you have to write toy. Okay, so Rishi went to the toy shop. Here I have done mistake in your practice paper, so you do correction. Instead of sky you have to write toy shop. Now we are talking about here Rishi. Rishi is a boy or male, so because of that we have done tick mark on he. He brought a toy car. Okay, now exercise question 1D. Fill in the blanks with me, us, you, him, her, it or them. Pick the correct words from the bracket. Children have come back from the school. Mother will give them. Why we have written them? Because here they have written children. Children mean it is plural form. So it will come them. Food to eat. So answer will come them. This shirt is too big for me. Me or us option you have given. So here we have to write me. I will change it. Why we have written here it? Here them also it is there. But it is used for shirt. Object it is there. Because of that we will object or thing it is there. So we will write it. My shoes are dirty. I will polish them. Why we are writing them? Why we have not written here it? Because it is a pair of shoes. Okay, so it is object, but even though it is a pair, so we will write here them. The black dog was running after us. So the black dog was running after it or us. Here it will come us, because we are talking about more than one person. So here it will come the black dog was running after us. So right answer is us. So we don't have to do tick mark, just I am showing you. So it will come US, us. Here our exercise ends.